Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify EV charging logs with ChargePoint platform exports, full guide step by step clearly. To verify EV charging logs with ChargePoint platform exports, start by logging into your ChargePoint account. Navigate to the Reports section on the main dashboard. Select the option for Export Data. Choose the time range for the logs you want to verify. Select the type of data you wish to export, such as charging session details or energy usage. Click on the Export button to download the requested data in a CSV format. Open the exported CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Familiarize yourself with the columns in the spreadsheet, including timestamps, vehicle IDs, and energy totals. Identify the specific charging sessions you want to verify. Cross-reference the charging session details with your internal logs or usage records. Check the beginning and ending time of each session to ensure they match. Verify the energy consumed against what is recorded in your logs. Look for any discrepancies in the vehicle IDs. If there are any discrepancies, note them for further investigation. Repeat this process for all the exported data that requires verification. Once all data has been verified, analyze any patterns or issues found during the review. Document your findings and any necessary follow-up actions. Save and back up your verified logs for future reference. This concludes the verification process using the ChargePoint platform exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.